Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Hisense TV. It's a Hisense wider TV. Now I'll show you how to do this. Press home from the remote. Then go to settings. Then scroll down to sport. Then scroll down to reset to factory default. Here it will ask for a pin. Enter 4 times 0 if you haven't changed it. Or if you have changed, then enter the required code. Now you can also save channels data before factory resetting it. So if you want to save the channels, then select the checkbox and then press restore. And if you don't want the channels, then directly click on restore. TV will again ask for a displayed pin to check whether you are bot or a human. Now input the displayed pin, whatever TV screen is showing. After inputting the correct code, your TV screen will goes blank and Hisense logo will appear. This shows that your Hisense TV has been reset to its factory settings. Hope this video helps you. Like it. In case of any query, ask in comment section. I will be happy to reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.